Hello. In our first video, we learned how to do a proper heading using MLA8. Now, what I will be teaching is how to do a proper work citation, also in MLA8, kind of the new thing to use for English papers. So, as you will see, we have our original heading right up here, but now I've skipped a couple lines, and our cursor is on the left side of our page. Now, I will skip down by pressing Enter, just so we can pretend there is the actual paper written. Perfect. Move up a little, make everything easy. Now, first thing we want to do, you will notice our font is already set on Times New Roman and on font 12. And we will go back and put our cursor in the center of our page. Now, what you will want to type is works cited. Now, the works cited part is what gives the author their accreditation. So this is almost saying, thank you to these people for helping me prove my point. So, after typing works cited, I will press the Enter button again. And now I will move over to the left of the screen, and I will do so by just pressing the backspace. It makes it quite easy. Now, the text I will be doing the citation for is for this book, The First Days of School, How to Be an Effective Teacher by Harry K. Wong and Rosemary T. Wong. Thank you to the power of the internet, I'm able to show the book online. So, what I will want to do is first go back to my page. Oops. Excuse me. And you will want to write the author's names. So, it'll be Wong. Want to go last name first. Comma. Harry. K. And since there are two authors, you will write both names. And same style. Wong, comma, Rosemary T. And we'll make sure there's a period first for the initial and also to end that portion. The next portion we will do is the name of the text. For this portion, you will want to italicize since it is the name of a book. So, how, my fingers got away from me. How to be an effective teacher. Active, I apologize for my misspelling. Teacher, colon, the first days of school. As you see, I have now reached the second line. Now, another thing you would like to do is highlight this portion, and we want to double space. You will do so with this up and down arrow, so line and paragraph spacing. Click on that button and go down to 2. Now, what we'll do, we'll go to school. You'll want to hit the Enter button and then the Tab button. Since for citations, the second line needs to be indented. Lets the readers know that the information all goes together in one section. We will hit the italicize button again, and I will hit space, and we will write the publication company, so Harry K. Wong Publications is the name of the company. And after this, instead of putting a period, we'll be putting a comma, since there's still additional information that goes together. and the book was published in 1997. So we will type that and end with a period. Now, this is how you create a proper MLA 8 citation for the book, How to Be an Effective Teacher, the First Days of School. Now, thank you and have a great day.